A very good morning, children. Welcome to our English class. In previous class, we had learned that simple and progressive tenses. Okay? Now, in this class, we are going to learn about perfect tenses, which means present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Okay? Let's start our class. Look at what is meant by present perfect. Present perfect. What is the formula of present perfect? The formula of present perfect is have or has plus finished. Okay. Here we use the verb in past participle, that is V3. Okay. In present tense we use the present form, that is V1. In past tense we use the past form, that is V2. In perfect tense we use the past participle, that is V3. Once look at this. What is the present form of verb finish? Finish. Okay. Now what is the past form of finish? Finished. 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 And past participle also finished. Okay. That's why here write finished. Have or has plus finished. The formula of present perfect is have or has. Have or has. Okay. In present perfect we use have or has, right? In present perfect, when subject is I, we use the be form, that is have. When subject is, this is singular, these are the plural forms. When subject is in plural, we, you, they, we use have. Okay. I, we, you, they, we use the have. Okay. Now he, she, it. He, for he, she, it, these are the singulars. We use the has. For these we use has. In present perfect tense, in present perfect we use a have or has. For has, when subject is he, she, it. Have is used for when subject is I, we, you, they. Okay, children? Okay. Now, verb must be in past participle, that is V3 form. Okay. In progressive tense, the verb is in the form of ing. In simple present, we use the verb V1 form. Okay. In perfect tense, the verb is in V3, that is past participle. Okay. Now let us see the example of present perfect tense. Present perfect. I have just played football. I have just played football. Here you have just finished it. Here the action is just finished. Okay. When the action is just now completed, then we can say that in present perfect tense. Okay. So it has a connection to the present. So the action just now finished it and it has a connection to the present. Maybe your clothes are dirty. When you have played football, maybe your clothes are dirty. Okay. So it is connected to the present situation. So that is known as present perfect tense. Okay, children. Now look at the past perfect tense. What is meant by past perfect? Past perfect formula is had plus finished. Subject plus had plus finished. Here we use have or has in present perfect tense. Coming to the past perfect tense, we use had. Either it is plural or singular. No, don't worry about singular and plural. Okay. Here we use have for I, we, you, they. Okay. Here we use has for he, she, it. Here only had. Either it is when subject is in singular or in plural, we use only had in past perfect tense. But the verb is in the form of past participle, that is V3, that is finished. Okay. Remember, children, past perfect tense we use had. In present perfect we use have or has. Now look at the example of past perfect. Past perfect. I had played football before Susan came. I had played football before Susan came. Here there are two actions. The two actions are related to each other. These two actions, I had played football and Susan came. These two actions are related to each other. You had finished to play football and after that the girl arrived. You had finished to play. Okay, when you had played, when you had finished to play, then the girl arrived. Okay, Susan, here the Susan is a girl and after that the girl arrived. The two actions are related to each other. Okay, this is about past perfect. Now look at the future perfect tense. Future perfect tense, what is the formula of future perfect? Will have. We use here will. In simple present we use only will. In future progressive we use will be. In future perfect we use will have. Okay, here we use will have. Either it is in singular or in plural. Okay, I, we, you, they, he, she, it, whatever it may be, we use will have. Okay, will have finished. The verb must be in past participle, that is V3, that is finished. Okay children, remember these very important. This table is very important. You have to remember this table, then you can answer those questions, answer the worksheet. Let us look at the example of future perfect. I will play football by tomorrow. Okay, I will have, I will have. Here we use will have. Okay, I will have played football by tomorrow. You will have done it before tomorrow. Okay, this action is not completed. You will have done it. You will have played football by tomorrow. Okay, this is about future perfect. Okay children, now once look at the formula of present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. Have or has plus finished is a formula of present perfect. Past perfect, the formula of past perfect is had plus finished. In future perfect, will have plus finished. Now I'll explain about how to do the worksheet. Okay, let's listen careful. In present perfect tense, the boys dash in their answer sheets. Here, what is this? Present perfect. What's the formula of present perfect? Have or has plus finished. Have or has plus finished. Here, you have to do one thing. Have, either you can add have or has. Okay. Have, I already told to you. Have is used for I, we, you, they. Okay. Has is used for he, she, it. Okay. Here the boys. The boys is in the singular or in plural? The boys is in plural form. When subject is in plural form, we use only have. Okay. When subject is in singular, we use has. Here we use have. Have plus the past participle V3 hand. Sorry, this is hand. Okay. Hand. Here we use handed. Hand, handed, handed. The boys have handed in their answer sheets. The boys have handed in their answer sheets. The people dash the city desert. The people. People means, what is the subject here? The people is the subject. People, is it a singular or plural? Plural. People means people. Okay, that is plural. So that we use the B form, that is have. Okay, have. What's the verb here? Desert. Here desert is in V1. What is the V3? Past part is deserted. Okay, deserted. The people have deserted the city. Okay, now look at the past perfect tense. When I arrived at the cinema, the film dash start. When I arrived at the cinema, the film. Here in past perfect, what's the formula of past perfect? In past perfect, we use had plus finished. We use either it is in singular or in plural. Don't worry about singular or plural. We use only had in past perfect tense. Next, the verb is start. We use the started, that is past participle V3 form. Okay, the answer is had started. When I arrived at the cinema, the film had started. She dash live in China before she went to Thailand. She, don't worry about the singular and plural. Had, we use had because past perfect tense. Had live, the verb is live, that is live. The past participle form of live is live. She had lived in China before she went to Thailand. Okay children, this is a today's session. I hope you all understand very well. I'll send you worksheets. I'll send you worksheets. You have to complete it and send it. Okay, send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you children.